Ciao everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're dreaming of pasta, pizza and picturesque landscapes, you're in the right place. Today we're taking you on a virtual tour of the top 10 must-visit destinations in Italy. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just looking for a romantic getaway, Italy has something for everyone. Let's dive in. First up we have Rome, the eternal city. Steeped in history, Rome is a living museum. Don't miss the Colosseum, where gladiators once battled, or the Roman Forum, the heart of ancient Rome. And of course, toss a coin into the Trevi fountain to ensure your return to this magical city. Florence, Duomo, Uffizi Gallery and Ponte Vecchio. Next we head to Florence, the cradle of the Renaissance. Marvel at the stunning Duomo, a masterpiece of architecture. Art lovers, the Uffizi Gallery is a must-see, home to works by Botticelli, Michelangelo and Da Vinci. And for a romantic stroll, cross the Ponte Vecchio, Florence's iconic bridge lined with jewelry shops. Venice, Grand Canal, St. Mark's Basilica and gondola ride. Now let's float over to Venice, the city of canals. Take a vaporetto ride along the Grand Canal, visit the stunning St. Mark's Basilica, and get lost in the maze of charming alleyways. And of course, no trip to Venice is complete without a gondola ride. Amalfi Coast, Positano, Capri and Ravello. Ready for some coastal charm? The Amalfi Coast is a dream come true. Visit Positano with its colorful cliffside houses, take a boat to the glamorous island of Capri, and explore the serene town of Ravello, known for its stunning gardens and panoramic views. Tuscany, rolling hills, vineyards and medieval towns. For a taste of Italy's countryside, head to Tuscany. Drive through rolling hills dotted with vineyards, visit medieval towns like Siena and San Gimignano, and indulge in world-class wine and cuisine. Cinque Terre, colorful villages and hiking trails. Last but not least, the Cinque Terre, 5 colorful villages perched along the rugged Italian Riviera. Hike the scenic trails, swim in the crystal-clear waters, and enjoy fresh seafood by the harbor. And there you have it, Italy's top travel destinations. From ancient ruins to stunning coastlines, Italy is a country that will steal your heart. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your Italian adventure today. Grazie for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more travel guides. Arrivederci.